There you go. You're on camera. You can walk him back. It's funny, when the guy said he wanted to see walk trot, I was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, I know, me too.
I always do that though, and I didn't with him. Maybe go in a big circle to your left. There you go. Go the other way. Okay, you can jog him. There you go. Just kind of, now you can lope them off. Perfect. Isn't he working good?
Yeah.
He was like night and day after 2 days of working him. Nice, Taylor. Go up a little further. Stop him on this side because I can't see in the sun. Yeah, go around one more time. Okay, whenever you're ready. Nice. Back him up. Okay, now go the other way and just lope them off. Nice. Yeah, I think she'll like this a lot better because he's traveling really nice and relaxed on a loose rein. Okay, stop them when you're ready. Nice. Good, then maybe walk towards me and turn them around a little bit. That's good. If you walk any closer, I'll cut your head off. Okay, yeah, yeah. There you go. Nice, there you go. Okay. Go the other way. More brake rein. Do it again, but more brake rein on your outside rein. Now tighten that. There you go, much better. Use your leg.